Today we're doing a keto butter mayonnaise. And the first thing you want to do is melt your butter, and the best way is a double boiler, a pot of boiling water with a bowl on top. You're supposed to melt 6 ounces of butter, and then once you melt it, you're going to pour it into a jug or a container you can pour from. I picked a measuring cup so I can measure how much butter I'm actually going to use, and I fell short, so I had to repeat the process until I got 6 ounces of butter. And then on to the next main ingredient is your egg yolks. This is me just separating my egg yolks from my egg whites. I use the shell method. You can use the funnel, a slotted spoon. You can cuddle it in your hand, or if you have an egg separator, that's probably your best bet. Place your yolks in another separate container and save your egg whites for an omelet or a protein shake. These are the yolks that I got. You need 2 egg yolks for this recipe. And I poured them into a clear bowl so you can see what I'm doing when I'm whisking the egg yolks and the butter together. Before you whisk the egg yolks and the butter, you are going to whisk 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard into the egg yolks. Just putting 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard into the egg yolks and whisking it before I add the butter. Make sure your forearms have a good workout before you do this, because this is the most important part of the whole making mayonnaise, is emulsifying the butter and the egg yolks until they thicken. So you need to do a steady stream of butter into your egg yolks, and if it gets away from you and you see a little bit more butter than egg yolks, just put the butter down and whisk a little harder until you incorporate it all into the egg yolks and emulsify it all together. This process did take me a little bit of time, and it is quite a workout on your forearm. But you keep putting steady streams of butter into your egg yolks until the butter is gone. As I'm doing this, I'm checking the consistency so that it's like a ribbon on top of the egg yolk. Now once I've emulsified this and whisked it together to thicken, I will then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and then continue to whisk that in. And then the next thing you're gonna add is 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. And that's really all you have to do for your keto butter mayonnaise. Test it to see if it's salty enough to your liking, and you just keep whisking away until it's thick as you enjoy it. As time goes on, the butter will go more solid, so it will make the mayonnaise a little more thicker. And you can use this for everything that you would use regular mayonnaise on. Salads, potato salad, pasta salad, tuna, spread on your bread, gluten-free of course. And then this is after I put it in the fridge for about an hour. It's still spreadable, just leave it out, it will become softer, but that's the texture when you put it in the fridge and store it. And you can store it for about 2 to 5 days. Enjoy. And don't forget to check us out on Instagram at Notice Foods. We do post a lot more gluten-free and oil-free recipes. And feel free to message us on there. It is a lot easier for us to contact you. Thank you.